Toroidal inductors and coils. Types, materials, and benefits. Descriptions and applications for toroidal inductors and coils with a list of manufacturers, and the many uses for toroidal inductors and coils. You will learn: what are toroidal inductors and coils? How toroidal inductors and coils are made. Uses for toroidal inductors and coils. Types of toroidal inductors and coils. And much more. Chapter 1. Understanding toroidal inductors. Chapter 2. How a toroidal inductor works. Toroidal or donut-shaped circular core. Low-loss toroidal inductor. High-temperature toroidal inductors. High-current toroidal inductors. Current sensing toroidal inductor. Direct current resistance inductors. Coupled toroidal inductor. Surface mount device, toroidal inductors. Slotted toroidal inductors. Mounting. Horizontal mountings. Vertical mountings. Through-hole mounting. Surface mounting. Chapter 3. The toroidal inductor process. Inductance, core concept of toroidal inductors. Toroidal core construction and material selection. Quality factor and performance metrics. Resonant frequency and application considerations. Temperature coefficient and thermal stability. Saturation current, maximizing power handling. Frequently asked questions. What distinguishes toroidal inductors from other inductor types? What core materials are commonly used in toroidal inductors? How do toroidal inductors reduce electromagnetic interference? What are the main applications of toroidal inductors? Which mounting styles are available for toroidal inductors? Are toroidal inductors suitable for high-temperature or automotive environments? Chapter 4. Types of core materials. Ferrite cores. Manganese zinc ferrite. Nickel zinc ferrite. Powdered metal cores. Laminated iron alloy cores. Taped wound cores. Chapter 5. Toroidal Inductor Wire Windings. Wire considerations. Turns. Wire gauge. Target inductance. Steps used when manufacturing a toroidal inductor. Specifications. Core preparation. Winding process. Secure the wire. Inductance check. Insulation. Chapter 6. Uses for toroidal inductors. Toroidal transformers. Other applications. Power supply and DC-DC conversion. Energy storage. Tuning circuits. Transformers. Sensors. Lighting. Chapter 7. Advantages of toroidal inductors. Advantages of toroidal inductors. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right toroidal inductors and coil manufacturers for your needs.